In this video, we are going to learn how to use Resize Chamfer command. So the command is in Edit, then you have to go to More, then here you will find the command of Resize Chamfer. As per the definition, it is going to resize one or more symmetric chamfer. So the limitation of this command is that it is going to resize only the symmetric chamfer. Let me just show you through an example. Here you can see this is 70-80. That means in both directions, the distance is going to be different, which makes it asymmetric. And here, in this case, it is 80-80. That means both sides, the distance is going to be get traveled by 80 mm, which makes it symmetric. Now, whenever I'm going to hover my mouse over this line like this, it is going to get highlighted. And at the bottom of the status bar, you can see it is displaying as single curve. So I would be able to resize it. But in the case of asymmetric chamfer, it is not going to select this and not going to display any of the message in the status bar. So this is the limitation of Resize Chamfer Curve, as we are not able to resize the asymmetric chamfers. Now I am going to resize this one. So here you can see only one distance is coming. Why so? Because it is going to apply it in both directions. That's why it is going to select only the symmetric chamfers. Now I'm going to give the distance as 100 so that in both directions it is going to be as 100, 100 like this. So this is how we can use the command of resize chamfer. Now the same case is going to be get applied in the case of angle. Like here, this is 120 by 45 degree. This is 120 by 35 degree. And we know that 1045 degree is 1. Now, let's again go to the resize chamfer command. Just hover your mouse over here. Now you can see this is highlighting. That means we can select this. And if I just go to this one, we cannot able to select this because the value of this in vertical direction is going to be get different. But in the case of this value is also 120 because 1045 is 1. Now I'm going to select this one and the distance is going to be as 110. Just click on OK. Now the changes have been applied in both the directions. It is 110. Let's check it out. This one and this one. So this is how we can use the resize chamfer command. That is all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the Resize Chamfer command. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.